When you need back pain relief, you need it fast. So here is a 2-minute fix. You might be with me a little longer than 2 minutes today, but you can use it on a regular basis and it just takes 2 minutes of your time. My name's Samira. I have been teaching fitness and movement for almost 40 years. I've been a professional dancer for 25 years. I fixed my own serious back injuries, and I've also helped thousands of students over the years with back pain, hip pain, and so much more. You can join my email list to learn more. But first, let's get to taking care of your back problem right now. We're going to start lying down. So lying on your stomach, we're going to do a move called swimming. Let's go ahead and reach our arms forward. I'm not going to lay all the way down because it squishes my microphone, so I'll be modifying. Know that I encourage you to modify as you need as well, so you can keep it comfortable on your shoulders. Swimming, you can do fully modified, which is starting from the floor, or you can do partially modified, which is lifting your upper and lower body, including your arms. From wherever your position is, you're going to lift your right arm and left leg and left arm and right leg. So you are lifting in opposition. Keep lifting, opposite movement, nice and controlled. If you feel your hips move, you're moving too much. Make a smaller movement. So just do this swimming for 30 seconds. And then relax. From there, we're going to do a piriformis stretch. For your piriformis stretch, let's lie on our back. Okay, lying on our back, all you need for this, I'm using a yoga strap. You can use a towel, you can use a belt, anything long enough and narrow enough to fit comfortably behind a bent knee. Let's go ahead for your piriformis stretch. Put your yoga strap or a substitute behind your bent right knee and put your right foot onto the floor. Keep your right foot on the floor, pick up your left leg and cross your left ankle over that right thigh. So this is a really basic piriformis stretch. You might feel the stretch deep in your left glute hip area or down the left leg. If you feel the stretch here, this is going to be the position that you stay in for 45 seconds. And you can just stay here and breathe. And I'm going to go over some variations. So you can, if you like, move your left knee. Bring your left knee over that right hip and gently ease it away. So you can do this for a little bit. And if you're not feeling a stretch at all here, then I encourage you to use your yoga strap to draw your legs up towards you. Keep your shoulders relaxed, keep your spine long, keep your sit bones heavy, and just relax. So you want to do this stretch about 45 seconds on each side. Let's go to the other side. So for the other side, same thing. Put your yoga strap behind your bent left knee. With the yoga strap behind your knee, put your left foot down. Keep that left foot on the floor, pick up your right leg, cross your right ankle over that left thigh. And here's where you might feel a stretch deep in the right glute hip area. That's your piriformis muscle. You might feel it down the leg. That's your IT band. You can stay here. You can move that right knee across and over the left hip and out. Motion is lotion. So just move slowly and easily. You can stay here, or if you don't feel the stretch here, you draw your legs up toward you. Relax those shoulders. Take slow, deep breaths and keep it comfortable. Stretching is often not enough to keep back pain away. You also want to do strengthening exercises. You can learn more about those in my email newsletter, which you can join down below, or in my classes, which are available online. And relax. Excellent. Now we're going to do dead bug, which is also a lying down exercise. So stay on your back. Let's do the full motion, and then I'm going to break it down for you because the full motion does involve some coordination. So in the full dead bug exercise, your arms are vertical, your thighs are in a tabletop position, and you want to be careful that your hips are at 90 degrees. Your knees are also at 90 degrees. Your shins are parallel to the floor like a tabletop. So you're not in a letter Z position with those knees close to your chest. You're in a tabletop position. You might notice you have to control your abs to keep your back still. That's part of the idea of this exercise. Let's draw your lower belly towards your spine a little bit. You do not have to imprint your spine into the earth. So here, Dead bug, opposite arm and leg, right arm, left leg, and bring it up. And left arm, right leg, and bring it up. Excellent. And just slowly continue to move opposite arm and leg while you're stabilizing your back, which means keeping your back still. Just do this for 30 seconds. So now you have the full routine. The full routine is swimming for 30 seconds, piriformis stretch, each side for 30 seconds, and then dead bug for 30 seconds. Let me break down dead bug a little bit farther, so stick around. The upper body in dead bug, you just reach one arm back at a time and reach back. Notice when I reach back with one arm, the other arm is staying still. You can even watch that with your finger. And you want to try and keep your rib cage down on the floor. You will notice here if one shoulder is more flexible than the other. The lower body, it's a little harder to do without the arms to balance it. But again, you start in a tabletop and you got to keep your back totally still. One leg extends. Higher is easier, lower is harder. So try that on the other side. The other leg extends. Again, higher is easier, lower is harder. Don't work to be the hardest level ever. Work to keep your back stabilized. Notice when one leg goes out, your body wants to try and bring the other leg in, but we're not doing that. So we're not scissoring our knees back and forth. That's an ab exercise, but that's not a stabilizing exercise. So let's put those two things together. Right arm and left leg, opposite arm and leg, opposite arm and leg. The most common challenges, and you can try it and notice in yourself what you do, the most common challenges are for the leg to follow, or no, the arm, for the arm to follow the leg that goes down. You see that? How I'm kind of moving like a marionette. That's one of the most common challenges. To fix that, keep your gaze or awareness on your hand and the knee that are staying still and just let the other ones move. So what you focus on makes a difference. And there's many more tips in this. You can go ahead, watch the next video for more, or join my email list below. Thanks for joining me.